Want to keep your car's paint looking fresh and glossy? In this video we break down the 5 best car polisher machine on the market for this year based on price, performance, and situations they'll be used in, so if you're interested in finding out which best polisher machine will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comments section which car polisher machine you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. NarzrIe Cordless Car Polisher. The NarzrIe 20005000 RPM Cordless Car Polisher, your ultimate companion for effortless car detailing. If you're tired of dealing with cumbersome cords, this upgraded cordless polisher is a game changer. It offers the freedom to move around your vehicle with ease, without the hassle of a tangled cord. The design of the NarzrIe polisher is truly thoughtful. Its ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, especially if you struggle with back or neck pain. This lightweight tool is perfect for extended use without straining your arms. The NarzrIe polisher features a strong Velcro disc that ensures the polishing pad stays firmly in place. You won't have to worry about it coming loose during use, allowing you to achieve a flawless finish every time. With 6 variable speeds ranging from 2500 to 5000 RPM, you have full control to perfect every detail of your car. Plus, the built-in brushless motor operates quietly, so you can focus on getting that mirror-like shine. And with the power alert function, you'll always know when it's time to recharge. The NarzrIe Cordless Car Polisher, making car care simpler, quieter, and more effective. Baseus Car Polisher Machine. The Baseus Car Polisher Machine wireless, electric polishing tool is designed to make your car care routine more efficient and hassle-free. One of the standout features of the Baseus Car Polisher is its cordless design. Gone are the days of tangled cords and limited mobility. Whether you're in the garage or the driveway, this polisher gives you the freedom to move around easily. Plus, it boasts a long battery life, delivering up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted use. That's more than enough time to wax even the largest vehicles in a single go. Performance-wise, the Baseus Car Polisher doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful 3800R/min motor, it ensures smooth and efficient waxing. The eccentric rotating shaft is particularly impressive, preventing over-polishing in one spot and ensuring an even finish. And with 2 adjustable speed settings, you can customize your waxing experience for better results. Versatility is another highlight of this tool. It comes with 3 types of polishing pads: a waffle foam pad for sealing the glaze, a flat foam pad for waxing, and a polishing wool pad for the final shine. The anti-shake handle makes it even easier to control, reducing fatigue during extended use. The Baseus Car Polisher Machine is a powerful, versatile, and convenient tool that brings professional quality results right to your garage. If you're serious about car care, this is a must-have in your toolkit. Batoca S4 Mini Polishing Machine. The Batoca S4 Cordless Mini Polishing Machine, a game-changer in the world of auto detailing. The Batoca S4 isn't just another polisher, it's designed to impress. With its lightweight build, this tool offers exceptional maneuverability. Whether you're polishing or sanding, the S4 gets into every nook and cranny of your car. One of the standout features of the Batoca S4 is its multiple gripping positions. This design ensures stable and comfortable handling. You can work for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Gone are the days of tripping over cords or dealing with tangled extension cables. The Batoca S4 is fully cordless, giving you the freedom to move around your vehicle with ease. The intelligent battery system is another highlight. The S4 features a battery status indicator, so you'll always know when it's time for a recharge. And with compatible batteries, including those for the Batoca S2 device, you'll have backup power ready to go. The Batoca S4 Cordless Mini Polishing Machine is a versatile, user-friendly tool that excels in performance and convenience. Its lightweight design, ergonomic handling, and cordless freedom make it a top choice for any car enthusiast or professional detailer. Maxxt Electric Orbital Sander. The Maxxt 6-inch multifunction automotive brushless random electric orbital sander. This versatile tool is designed for those who demand precision and efficiency in their sanding projects. Whether you're working on a car restoration or any detailed sanding job, the Maxxt sander promises to deliver outstanding results with its impressive range of features. One of the key features of the Maxxt sander is its variable speed control. This allows users to adjust the speed to match the specific sanding task, ensuring you get the perfect finish every time. Additionally, the sander comes with dual grit options, 5.0 mm for coarser sanding and 2.5 mm for finer finishes. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for a variety of projects, from heavy-duty to fine detailing. The sander's performance is further enhanced by its brushless motor, which provides consistent power while reducing wear and tear. This means the sander not only performs well but also has a longer lifespan compared to traditional models. The ergonomic design of the handle is another plus, offering a comfortable grip that allows for extended use without causing fatigue. The Maxxt sander is lightweight and portable, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces or take with you on the go. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this sander is a valuable addition to any toolkit. It combines power, precision, and comfort in one compact, efficient package, making it a top choice for anyone serious about their sanding work. Spta Cordless Car Polisher. The Spta 18-volt 5-inch cordless car polisher. This dual-action machine is perfect for anyone serious about car care. With its random orbit action, it ensures a swirl-free finish, reducing the risk of damage to your vehicle's paint. It's ideal for polishing, waxing, and removing swirls, offering a professional-grade finish that sets it apart from standard polishers. One standout feature is the self-locking power switch. This design allows users to lock in a speed without holding down the button, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the speed regulator is conveniently located above the user's thumb, making adjustments smooth and easy. The machine operates within a speed range of 2000 to 4500 OPM, providing flexibility for various polishing tasks. The polisher is powered by a 4000 mAh lithium battery, offering 45 to 60 minutes of use after a 120 to 150 minute charge. Its cordless design means you're not restricted by cables, making it perfect for use anywhere. The compact design also ensures it's easy to hold and maneuver, even in tight spaces. Each Spta polisher comes with 2 lithium batteries, ensuring uninterrupted work. With its portability, power, and user-friendly features, this polisher is an excellent addition to any car enthusiast's toolkit. It's designed for those who want professional results with minimal effort, whether at home or on the go.
There was